In this video, I'll show you how you can add non-copyrighted music from the YouTube audio library into CapCut PC so you can add it to your projects that you're working on. So what you need to do is once you're on YouTube, go to your channel icon, then go to YouTube Studio. Once you're inside of Studio, you'll be on the dashboard, and from here you need to scroll down and head to Audio Library. And once you do that, you'll then be shown all of these different songs that you can use. You can filter through these. So if you click on these three lines, you can filter by genre, track title, mood, and so on. And you can also download sound effects as well. We're just going to download a random song. So I'm going to click download and then add it to my downloads. You can also play these audio tracks before you download it, just so you know that that's the right track. So now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and add this to CapCut. So in my case, the song's gone to the downloads. So what we'll do now is open up CapCut. Here we are on CapCut. Now I've already added my video to the project, but you can go ahead and add this to a blank project, or if you've already got an existing CapCut project, you can add it to that. So click import. You need to be on the import section in CapCut. We'll then open up this Windows Explorer, and from here you can head to your downloads, wherever you've downloaded the song from. Click on the song, click open. It will then add it to the library in CapCut, and then you can drag it on. Here you can go ahead and obviously resize and cut the audio track accordingly to your video. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a cut. So we're going to go split right here, and we'll delete the rest. So now we've got the audio track matched up to the video. I'm not going to play it because it will be very loud. If you did want to turn the volume down though, click on it, then you can turn the volume down here. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped.